Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome back to hashtag 100 Days of Halloween 2023. And I'm sorry I missed last night. I went to bed really early. I was very, very, very tired. So, feeling a little better today. What movie did we watch? We watched Final Destination. And I love it every time I watch it. Like, that right there, those are fears of mine. Like, things that I cannot control at all. Like, I'm not afraid of spiders and snakes, and that's what I'm afraid of, is the unknown. Yeah. So that movie really makes me anxious. But I watched it, and I watched it with my honey, and I'm one of those people that gets behind a truck, hauling a bunch of logs or something, and all I can think of is Final Destination. Like, I'm like, yep, this is how we go. This is how it's going to happen. This is how I'm going to say goodbye to the world. Yeah. So that's me. It's not horror as in slasher horror, but it is horror because it plays on fears. And, yeah. I 2 thumbs up because I've watched it before and I will watch it again. What about you, babe?
I love it. The way that it turns death into like this sort of inescapable killer is pretty cool. It kind of weaponizes your fear. And that's one thing I love about it. It's just it provokes that terror in you, of, like stuff going wrong out of your control. So yeah, it's pretty good. I love it.
So, our movie for tomorrow, I'm not going to give you 2 movies. No, you know what? To stay on track, no, we'll just do one because I still don't have everything picked. So, we are going to watch Snake Island on FreeVee. So, yes, Snake Island on FreeVee. And I'm not going to show you my blanket because I didn't get a whole lot done with my blanket. But I did make me some leg warmers. And yes, I know they're very busy, and you might wonder, what do leg warmers have to do with Halloween? Well, do y'all remember last year it was last year I had the Advent, right? And Ryan, the crochet hag Ryan, sent me the ad 13 days of Halloween, and it was all the like cryptids and stuff like that. So I put them into some leg warmers. And yes, I will wear all of these colors. Like these leg warmers that are all these multiple colors. And then the top and the bottom is the Krampus yarn that I bought. So yes, I won't be wearing them till it cools off. But when it cools off, you might see a picture of me in them. But I love them, and they're super squishy, and they're made out of wool. So therefore, when I go to the mountains, it'll keep me warm, y'all. I've got a wool hat, and now I got wool leg warmers. Just gotta make me some wool slippers, and I'm ready to go. This pattern, I will link it down below. I can't remember who it's by, but I will link the tutorial for this down below. And so remember, our movie is Snake Island on FreeVee. And so let me know if you're going to watch it. Let me know if you watched Final Destination and if you like those kind of movies. Those are probably my least favorite movies. I would rather see people get hacked up than for that kind of, I think, because that's like a real fear of mine, like that some kind of haywire, someone's going to go haywire and that's how I'm going to go.
Like a Rube Goldberg machine.
Yeah. I don't know what that means, but okay. So, stay spooky. I love y'all. And I plan on being back tomorrow. Stay spooky. Mwah.